welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am super excited to show you guys the Makartt Decorative Kit, which comes with a whole bunch of nice items. So we have some glitters, we have a whole bunch of stones, and y'all, these definitely have to be my all-time favorite. So as you guys can see, it comes with some pearls, it comes with some rose gold little studs, some other little pointed back stones. We also have one with some bows and some foils. We have more little 3D items and more stones and glitter, more glitter, more glitter, and more stones. So I'm gonna be swatching, or not swatching, but I'm gonna be focusing on just creating some really cool designs by using these items. Like I said, these are gonna be available on Makartt's website, which I'll be sure to leave the link down below. But y'all, when I say they got some really nice things, like they definitely got, I mean, and like each little box comes with a good variety. Like I said, like these are glitters, and then we have like the 3D stones, we have more glitters, and so like everything comes with like a lot of different items. So I'm super excited to try them out. I'm gonna go ahead and already have some like little pre-made swatches. That way, you know, this video is not too long, but just continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, I'll leave the link down below to all of these goodies.
Alrighty, so the first thing that we have are these 3 little boxes of bling. So the first one comes with 12 different colors. We have blue, red, black, like a little bit of everything, and it also comes with a little wax pencil. The next one is the AB stones, and they're super shiny, y'all, and it comes with a good variety of sizes. And then lastly, we have the clear rhinestones, which are also pretty shiny, and then also comes with the wax pencil. And I wanted to give you guys a closer look at the AB ones, because y'all, they are absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bling out this entire nail. So just going in and alternating between the different sizes until I fill in the entire nail. And I'm gonna use some of the bigger ones as well, just so you know, I kind of fill up the nail a lot faster. So again, just applying the glue and then going in with the different sizes until we fill in all of the nail, and just try to fill in the gaps with the small ones as you go. Alrighty, so this is what the AB stones look like. As you guys can see, they are absolutely stunning. They're super shiny, and I just really like them. So up next, I'm going to be trying out the one with the different color ones. So again, it has 12 different colors. We have gold, black, blue, red, orange, yellow, a little bit of everything. And with this one, I'm just gonna do the gold ones, or champagne colors. So I'm just going in, and instead of doing a full nail, I'm just gonna go in and do kind of like an ombre, to where it's a little bit at the, like, closer to what would be the cuticle area, and then I'm gonna just scatter them around as they get closer to the tip. And this is what it looks like. So same thing, really shiny, and I absolutely love that champagne color with that gel polish. That's really pretty. So like I said, I just did a few closer to the cuticle area, and then just scattered the rest around the nail. So up next, we have some glitters. So these glitters did come with like a little glue, but I'm just gonna go in and do an ombre with the acrylic. So whether you want to do it over the acrylic or encapsulate it, it's definitely up to you, but you definitely can use it this way as well. So I just went in and did a clear bead of acrylic, and then I grabbed another bead of acrylic and dipped it into the glitter, placed it on the nail, placed it at the tip, and then just kind of brushing it down towards the tip and blending it right in the middle. And this is going to give us that beautiful ombre look. And of course, I'm going to go back in and encapsulate this with the clear. So this is what it looks like. So we have a really nice ombre going on, and then next we have another set of glitters, and they're chunky glitters, so it comes with little hearts. And this time I wanted to try out the little glue that it came with, so I just went ahead and applied that on the nail and kind of just spread it out through the entire nail. And then with my little dotting tool, I'm just gonna basically sprinkle the glitter over the top of the nail, and then after this I'm gonna go ahead and just let it cure. So this is what it looks like. Now I would recommend encapsulating these in the acrylic because I tried the little glue that it came with and it didn't dry or cure, so I'm not really sure exactly how that works, so I definitely will find out for y'all. But up next we have another little set. This one is more of like Valentine's Day theme. So we have some decals or stickers with hearts, and then we have a whole bunch of other little items with hearts and glitter. And so I'm gonna go in with this glitter and I'm gonna do a sugar effect. So just going in and doing a coat of the pink, which matches the pink glitter. And while the gel polish is still wet, I'm gonna go in and with my cuticle pusher just sprinkling the glitter over the top of the nail, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds, and it's gonna give us that like sugar effect. So I cured the nail and this is what it looks like, y'all. When I tell y'all this pink is so beautiful, like y'all, it's so bright. Up next I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna apply this big heart. So for this you will need a hard gel, something that's gonna hold that piece in place really good since it is pretty big. So I just did a bead of the hard gel and then placed the heart right over it, and then I cure for 60 seconds, and that is what it looks like. Up next we have this one, which comes with some bows and some little foils and some stickers as well. So I'm gonna be using the gold foil, and I'm also going to be using some of the flowers, and I feel like it would look really pretty over red. So I'm going to go in with a red nail. I'm going to do a flower in the middle. I'm going to do two more, one at the bottom and one at the top, and then in between the flowers I'm going to go in with the foil. And with this one I just wet my brush a little bit with acetone, and then I just gently dip it into the foil, and the foil sticks right onto the nail. After this I'm just gonna go in with a top coat, and you guys are gonna see how pretty and shiny it looks. And I think the flower kind of reminded me of like maybe a movie, so like a romantic movie. I don't know, y'all, it was definitely giving me like telenovela vibes. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But up next we have another little kit, and this one comes with some Halloween glitters. So I'm gonna go ahead and encapsulate this one as well because it is chunkier glitters. So just went in with a bead of the clear, and then I'm going in, and while the acrylic is still wet I'm applying the little glitter pieces on top of the acrylic and making sure that they're nice and flat on the nail. And then after that I'm gonna go in and encapsulate with the clear, but you do want to make sure that these little pieces are really nice and flat on the nail. Even if you have to like glue the little corners down, that is completely fine, but make sure that the pieces are, y'all, like literally, you see I'm going in with my brush and kind of pressing them down. If you want to do that, that is completely fine, but you don't want the glitter pieces to be sticking out of the acrylic, because once you go into file you will file them away. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like, really pretty. So next I have this little kit, which I absolutely love, and I love those stickers too, but I'm gonna be using these stones. I am doing it over this color that is so pretty. It's definitely giving me vibes, or fall vibes. But I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna do bling going down the nail, and I was gonna incorporate the little pearls, but they're actually like not flat back, so I was scared that they would fall off really easily or they would just roll off the nail. So I just went in with the little tiny gold caviar instead, and just you see how it kind of just rolled off the nail. So I went ahead and just left the little tiny gold caviar and then got rid of the white little pearl. And then I'm gonna go in with some more of these because they're my favorite. And just basically, y'all, when I say like all of these designs were literally like off the top of my head, like I didn't have none of these planned. Like I like to just kind of do random stuff like that because I feel like that's when I create like the most like prettiest things for sure. So just gonna go in and just randomly apply stones on there, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. Y'all, when I say this is so pretty, like this definitely has to be my favorite now. But anyways, lastly we have this little kit, which I really like these stones out of it. So I'm just gonna go in with my hard gel and I'm gonna create a little cluster. So just doing the red, the blue, and the pink, curing for 60 seconds, and it turned out really pretty. Really simple yet really pretty because the stones are pretty. So here are all of the designs that I created by using the Makartt Decorative Kit. Everything, y'all, is absolutely beautiful. The bling is super shiny. I love the different variety of glitters, and I just overall am super satisfied. So be sure to go check them out. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.